केंद्रीय भलायकी मंत्री आणि राज्य भलायकी मंत्र्यान शेनवारा गोमेकोतल्या भलायकी सुविधांचे मूल्यांकन करपाक गोमेकोक भेट दिली. गोमेकोच्या कारभाराचेर केंद्रीय मंत्री प्रसन्न जाल्ल्याची माहिती भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
Sir, could you tell us exactly what was this parliamentary committee?
The parliamentary committee today had come to Goa Medical College to visit, and they were very impressed with the facilities in Goa Medical College. The parliamentary committee, along with the Union Health Minister Anupriya Patel, had come. Their team, led by her, was in Goa Medical College to evaluate the facilities, because they have come to Goa to evaluate all the projects all over India under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. So this was the course of the visit, because we are now our project is being tendered by Government of India for carrying out the super specialty block, where all the approvals from Government of Goa have been conveyed to Government of India. And in view of this, the group, they had come, they visited the urology section, they visited the cardiac wing, and then they had a presentation of Goa Medical College, and they were very impressed with the facilities and what we are doing and what is our vision for Goa Medical College. When the committee comes, and they also will give their inputs of what their feeling is and how we are conducting ourselves in Goa Medical College. I have been, as you know, that I have been personally monitoring every aspect in Goa Medical College, and we are hopeful that basically this project is being undertaken by they have come to evaluate this Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. I'm sure that this will be being tendered at the earliest, and this will benefit every Goan.
And what is the amount that the state government would expect to get this facility there?
No, this is already approved. No, our project is already approved under this scheme, and we are getting 120 crores from the center.